that right there. Block out butter in there too. A little bit of oil, a little bit of butter. I'm low on the butter. I ain't got no olive oil. I'm gonna put the butter when I put the shrimp in there. I'm dealing with the onions and the garlic first. All right, so you got some for the foreign dude, some for the Filipina. Those shrimps ain't looking too bad, to be honest with you. There we go. Boom, shaka-laka-laka. No time like the present. I'm not waiting around. And boom, shaka-laka-laka. Oh yeah. So let's get down to business. Ain't gonna take long now. See how quick them shrimps just they pink up in a hurry. Gotta keep them stirring. Don't let them get too much heat on one side. Look at that technique. Look at that. All right, now look, this is a combination. The old lady, she's the one who come up with this tonight. I would probably just leave it like this, separated, but she said no. Throw the vegetables in there. All right, I don't want to disappoint. Now see, I had that water down in there keeping this stuff warm. Oh yeah, look at that. That's some good broth right there too. Sweetie girl, I don't know. Yes, sweetie. I know you want some water, but Papa's luto Maserati, ba? Okay, just a minute. Papa get you some water. Just a minute. There's your mama, ma'am. Would you like anything else? My name is Papa Marcos, and I'll be your waiter today. She said put a little bit of water. That's all I'm gonna do. Add the broth back to it. Hold that right there. I bet that thing. Oh, that's hot. That's hot, baby. Ooh, I got ice in the Yeti cup. What's happening? Baby, that's hot, baby. Get that broth in there. Oh, yeah. A little bit more, baby. Because I'm going to reduce that down. It's going to be some nice, thick. There you go, right there. That's going to go good over some rice or a piece of loaf bread. Just a little bit of that, a little bit of chili in there. Just a little bit around it. There you go. A little bit of spice to it. Good to go. A little bit of black pepper. That'll work. Oh, yeah. A little bit of spice to it, folks. Now, you would think you would put a shrimp cube in here. Yeah. But I don't really like the shrimp cubes. They just don't taste good to me. So I said, look, which one is that?
Chicken.
All right, we'll do a chicken cube. The cubes are delicious, but I'm not a big fan of the shrimp cubes, even though this is shrimp. I know that don't make no sense. Listen, number one, I certainly appreciate you getting me some beers. But you didn't tell me you had cold beer in there. I've been out here sweating over this grill. I didn't see them beers. I'm blinded by your beauty and your booty. One more take. How many people say I can't cook and that I burn things? Folks, y'all just don't know. Oh, I mean, it's the tip of the iceberg in my skills. That's a good job, baby. Go slowly. All right, now I haven't seen no good calamansis in the lower altitudes. They're way up there. I have to get the coconut chopper. You see one, baby? Oh, right. No, oh, there you go. See, the Filipina just manhandled that thing. Good job, baby.
But we don't have.
You don't need a knife. Just take the fingernail. Ooh! Shut the iPhone. Just break open a hole there. It's like sinking a boat or submarine. Just squeeze it on out there. Oh, yeah. That's going to be delicious. My goodness. Fresh off the tree, folks. Fresh off that tree. Oh! Put that down there because I'm about to clean out the grill. Oh, yeah, that's good and cold. Right. See what's going on in this cooler here. Unauthorized products. Don't see anybody on, but it could be down low. Get this bread out. Old lady, she's not good about purging old stuff, so I gotta keep it purged. Oh, yeah. Great cooler here. That's what I'm working with here, folks. Yeah, Maria Mercedes going to town. And forced you up here drinking some juice. Get up there, boy. Step up to the plate. Go to town. Look how cheap this stuff is. Looks like dishwasher detergent. Good job, Maria. You got a lot of work to do. Forrest G, don't throw them back over there. My son, this isn't a game. Sister's over there working, trying to get your mess up now. Go to work, Maria. You got a lot of work to do, sweetie. And dude, you stay over there in the playpen. Don't be throwing them balls back over there. Pandemonium, folks. We got teamwork going on. Got Maria over here working. Good job, sweetie. This woman right here always trying to tell me how to cook every damn night. She told me to take the chicken out. I told her, I said, okay, go ahead and tear it apart. It ain't done. Had to put it back in there. You know? Oh, you beautiful, baby. Where'd you get them shorts, baby? That's from the Uka Uka? Up at the market? Or the Uka Uka? Lord have mercy. Milk does a body good. Anyhow, so I had to put half the chicken back in there because she don't listen to me, folks. Shout out to my buddy Warner, man. Thanks for stopping by. Me and him were talking. I was drinking my Sam McLight. He rolled over and handed me a couple of German beers. Ice cold out of his cooler. My gosh, man. Thank you very much, dude. Folks, I got some of the best neighbors in the world over here. Some great people over here. I'm so excited about them beers. My gosh. Folks, I've been on the computer all day doing some computer work. Tedious computer work that required concentration, sobriety, focus, time. It was worse than doing my taxes today. All the stuff I had to get done. But I got it done. Mission accomplished. You know what I mean? So now it's just time to, you know, what I do every night. Cook dinner for my family, cook them a good supper, listen to a little country music, smoke me a good cigar. Shout out to you, dude. That is rock and roll, baby. Mixed with a little variety, and then I'm gonna listen to some country. Okay? Yeah, Che. You get her, baby. I don't hurt my back. Folks, this last piece coming out of here. See, I can do that algebra in my head. I know when to kill the heat to let it keep cooking, because see that large 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker. I know when to kill that heat, and it'll still keep cooking for about 5 minutes. Look at that fried chicken. Got a little medley going on over here. Fresh broccoli, potatoes, and carrots. We're gonna throw some butter in there. My goodness. All right, good job, Maria. Yeah, sweep all that up. Brother made a big old mess over there. Baby, baby, I get down on my knees for you. Why do you keep nibbling on my chicken? There's not gonna be any food left. I do not know how she got that big thing through there, but she did. Let's go ahead and put the lid on that. Just cap it. That's the lid to the large 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker. Folks, that piece of gear right there is made in America by the good folks down in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, my friends. And I cook with this thing every day, every night over here in the Philippines on the other side of the globe. If you're not familiar with this piece of gear, it comes with the lid like this, but you have another pot to cook in. So you can be frying up some eggs, frying some chicken over here, whatever you got to do. Take this to the campsite, use it as a Dutch oven. In my personal opinion, and I own a few, how many pieces of Lodge gear? I got 2 pieces. I got a griddle. This is the best piece of gear that money can buy, right there. If I had to go on that show alone, this is what I would take. As long as you let me go on alone with a Lodge 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker. Y'all better just give up on day one, because that money is mine, my friends. Yeah. I'll be cooking fish, deer meat, wild boar, wild onions, grass, tree bark, anything I can put in there. Because if you put it in there, it's going to come out delicious. Let's go, baby. See what you can do. Them bars said, ouch. Whoa, nimble like a cat. Thank you so much for cleaning up brother's mess. You're such a sweetie girl. You're such a good ate. Which ones you going with?
Chicken.
1 or 2?
2.
You want 2?
Hey, this is chicken. This is chicken.
That don't look like chicken.
Ah, it's pork.
I'll get 1 chicken and 1 pork. Mix it up. Do it, baby. Put them over in here. Be creative. Let's do it. Get after it, baby. There goes 1 pork. There goes the chicken. Get into the drink. I moved the fried chicken over here into my grill to prevent Filipina wife number 2 from nibbling on said chicken, because she was like a rat over here nibbling, just nibbling away. By the time I get done, it won't be no chicken for the rest of us. But over here, I can keep an eye on it. So I suggested that we put some coconut milk in there, but Filipina wife number 2 is against that. You from the village, baby. I thought you liked coconuts. The what?
I
Huh?
so much eat
What?
that coconut. This one is coconut. Then you put coconut.
Say it one more time. Say it 5 times fast. Folks, look at her. Like I said, I'm surrounded by good people. My buddy just came over and said, hey man, I see you got some beer, but you ain't got these. Brought me 2 of these Paderborner, if I said that right. Thank you very much once again, my friend. I gotta pop the top on this. I can't wait no longer, because it's been a while. And it's on my own fault, because I'm just lazy and I have my water guys go get my beer resupply. But I think tomorrow I am gonna go to Angel's Bakery and I'm gonna fill up my ref with some good German beer. Oh, that's beer. Look here. Y'all think I drink too much? Think I'm drunk all the time? I'll be honest with you. I'll break it down for you. Okay, look. These ceramic lights, folks, that's like a bottle of water. I could drink 6 of those and go pass an algebra test. All right, so you see me drinking ceramic light all the time. That's bottled water. All right, I'm just hydrating. You think all this is an accident? This is engineered. What you mean it's not cooked? What is wrong with this woman? Folks, y'all see the stress I'm under on a nightly, on a daily. Pretty much every moment of every day, I'm so much stressed by this woman right here.
If you're stressed, why you not get another?
That's a good idea.
Oh, go na.
That's all right. If you don't like bread, when you get to America, baby, you're going to be hungry on many days. There ain't going to be no rice.
Do you have rice?
You better learn to eat some bread, baby.
No, they have rice instead.
Nah, there ain't going to be no rice over there. Mm-hmm. Look at that, folks. Honey, you're standing on my toe. Ow! All right. Now, Forrest G knocked out my music, but I want y'all to listen to something. My neighbor is singing like he's auditioning on American Idol, folks. All right, folks, this is what we're working with tonight. Right here. We even got Thousand Island on there. My goodness, Maria. Papa Luto Maserati ba?
Yes.
Yay! Sweetie, thank you. Folks, we are truly blessed. Got good fried chicken, good vegetables on a piece of loaf bread. That's right. Papa Luto Maserati. Forrest G said that's Forrest G approved. Folks, I want to say thanks to everybody who watches our videos, listens to my voice, because y'all make this happen. And you allow me to live this lifestyle, and I certainly appreciate it. I'll see y'all on the next one. She's scared to take the trash out because she ain't got no bra on. Ain't nobody looking at them things, baby. Just go.